So today, what we're doing is we're chainsawing. So how I like to do things is I got a couple, obviously got my chainsaw here, 20-inch bar. It's the 462 CM. I prefer to run a Pro Series saw. And then I also have this ACC-U-MARK. What this is basically you attach it to the end of your saw. So then as you're going down the tree, you can get your pieces at 16 inches. So as you'd come down, you'd make a mark, hit it with your blade. You know, you'll see me do this. You put it down, so you start at the end, make a mark, then put this at the other, then hit it, make a mark. Put this where you already made a little mark, go down. Then what I usually do is I go down the log, making these marks, and then I go back. Usually I start at the base, go up, make these marks, and then I come back down. And usually, then that way, all my pieces are 16 inches because I do like to sell firewood. I very much enjoy cutting it, but I like to sell it also, kind of pay for my, I don't know if you want to say expensive toys, as Landon likes to say. But that's kind of how we'll do it. Now we've got it all cut up. I'm gonna stack it here, and then we'll, like I said, come back a later date and get the four-wheeler. that's what we're doing. Cut it up, stack it. When you stack it like this, it's easier to see it when you come back through with the trailer. Then when you're going for four-wheeler rides, it's always easy to, hey, wood pile there, kind of see it. Then it's easier, and I like to cut it on different days, and then when the kids come with me, I like to just pick it up. That way it's safer. I don't have kids running around with the chainsaw. I'm a little paranoid there. So that's what we like to do, is I'll stack it, and then on a different day or later today even, I'll come back with the kids with the trailer, and we'll just carry it in, load it into the trailer, take down the wood pile, stack it, split it at a later date. But that is how we do wood around here.
Like, subscribe, share them